हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सत्यनारायण शाह। यू आर वाचिंग एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज द मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस का एक्ट 1 का सीन 3 पढ़ेंगे। पहले एक्ट 1 का सीन 1, सीन 2 वीडियो अपलोड कर चुके हैं। अगर आपको कंसेप्ट पता नहीं है तो वो वीडियो देख देने से पता चल जाएगा। इसको देखने के बाद थोड़ा किताब देख देने से आपको पूरा जानकारी हो जाएगा और अच्छा मार्क आएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक्ट 1 सीन 3। Where this scene took place? This scene took place in Venice. And who are the characters? Bassanio, Shylock, Antonio. In this scene, Shylock introduced, and Shylock is opposite character of Antonio, contrast. In this scene, Shylock's climax exposed, and what is the event of this scene? It is money matter. Importance of money for love, for study, everything money needed. And Bassanio wants money to marry Persia. How much money Bassanio need? Bassanio needs 3,000 ducats, and he already told his friend Antonio, but Antonio no ready cash in his hand. That's why he told, you search a moneylender, I will be the guarantor, and you take money. So Bassanio went to Shylock. There Bassanio and Shylock conversation about 3,000 ducats for 3 months. And Shylock at first hesitant. Shylock is crafty, tactful, and when he heard about Antonio's name, at that time what was his reaction? He thought that now I got chance to take revenge of Antonio, because Antonio was a Christian and Shylock was a Jew, and Antonio gave money without interest. Shylock gave money in interest, so Shylock's business hampered by Antonio. That's why Shylock did not like Antonio, and Antonio scolded Shylock many times. That's why when Shylock saw Antonio at first ignored him and told Bassanio, now I have not that much money, so I want to arrange this amount money, and I asked my friend Tubal and give you money, but I suspected Antonio's business, Antonio's ship now in ocean, so it may be destroyed, because ship was driven by people and ship both are risky. That's why Shylock wanted to give money to Bassanio, what some terms with a bond, and one dangerous bond, and in that bond Shylock wanted that I want pound of flesh from Antonio's near breast, and it was not useful, but Shylock wanted to take revenge. Antonio, it was a great opportunity, that's why he prepared a bond, and that bond signed in notary in a court. These things given in this scene. And how Antonio told about the character of Shylock. Shylock smiled and Antonio told that he looked nice apple but inside rotten. Like that, what he looked like that he had no character. And here shows two character that Antonio is overconfident but Shylock wants to take revenge and handle the business nicely. That things narrated in this scene. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.